This sensational home is located in a quiet setting adjacent to the popular Roberta Park neighborhood in Barrington. A gorgeous newly constructed colonial by local builder Fred Almeida, quality materials and exquisite custom woodwork set this house apart. The spacious living room and dining room are ideal settings for any social gathering. Both rooms provide a wonderful, airy setting with their beautifully stained hardwood floors and exquisite millwork. The gleaming chef's kitchen features cottage-style cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and sparkling quartz counters. Eat in at the breakfast bar or in the naturally lit dining area. The adjoining family room enjoys a gas fireplace with a custom mantel. The entire room, up to the tall ceiling, is bathed in natural light coming in from the glass slider that walks out to the rear deck. Lounge on the deck and bask in the tranquility of this peaceful neighborhood. On the second level of the home is the expansive master suite with a walk-in closet and boasting a spa bath with a whirlpool tub. 3 more generous bedrooms occupy this floor along with a laundry room and a full bath. Take advantage of the great walkability this home provides. Head to one of the multiple local parks including Bicknell Park and Haines State Park with a boat ramp, picnic grounds, and a dog park. The East Bay Bike Path allows you to travel from Providence to Colt State Park. Barrington has an award-winning education system, and this home is minutes away from multiple schools. Enjoy close proximity to the Bayside YMCA, 2 beaches, and the charming town center. This quality home is 20 minutes from the renowned arts and businesses of downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Nancy Weaver at area code 401-837-2355.